On this episode, we're going to change the VTEC solenoid. You're asking, why do I need to change the VTEC solenoid? Because my car doesn't hit VTEC anymore. So there's two different types of VTEC solenoids. You'll see this one has two. One is for the oil pressure sensor, and the other is for VTEC. So you're gonna have to look at your car and see which one you actually need. But if you have Honda or K-Pro, you can actually eliminate this. There's a disable function. And you kind of want to get a OEM one, because if you get something that's remanufactured, you might not be able to run as long, or it just breaks after you install it. So I got lucky because mine, it looks like it's sent from Japan. It comes with some JDM newspaper. So we're gonna install this. First step is unplugging electrical connectors. You'll have the main VTEC solenoid connector and then the oil pressure switch. Some K-series engines don't use the pressure switch, so if you only see one connector here, it's okay. Be gentle, these clips are older than they look. Next, remove the 3 bolts holding the solenoid to the cylinder head. There are only 3, but somehow they're always awkward enough to reach. Once the bolts are out, the solenoid should come off. If it's been there a while, it might be a little stuck. My replacement solenoid came with a new seal already installed. If yours doesn't, then order a new one. Installing the new unit is straightforward. Line it up, press it in place, and hand thread all 3 bolts before tightening anything down. So it looks like I forgot to take off launcher control, so let's try that again.